Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tangi Patton. Today we're on the famous Riverwalk in San Antonio, the unofficial capital of Tex-Mex cuisine. But if you're craving delicious, pure Mexican food, you can either make a beeline for south of the border or head straight to Hugo's. Like fine wine and whiskey, some things just get better with age.
I can't even remember how many years I've been coming here.
It's authentic Mexican food, and we think it's the best in town.
All of the passion that he puts on his dishes is just amazing. We love it.
She's talking about Hugo Ortega, the first ever Mexican-born chef to win a coveted James Beard Award. Tell me what that felt like.
I cannot lie to you, it's been something wonderful for me.
From slow-roasted, melt-in-your-mouth lamb barbacoa to crispy churros filled with dulce de leches, every dish at Hugo's is prepared with precision and pride.
But it's delicious.
This year, Hugo's marks a major milestone. Can you believe it's been 20 years?
So incredible, from 20 years ago when we opened Hugo's where people see Mexican food today, it's just amazing, you know, how much movement in every aspect, food and people beginning to connect, you know, with what it is.
Tucked into Houston's historic Montrose district, Hugo's is a part of the neighborhood fabric.
We're here because of this community, and they're the ones who make it happen, and they're the ones who inspire me to do new dishes.
The very best of those dishes fly out of this kitchen 6 days a week.
Don't expect Tex-Mex, expect something a lot more authentic, like you are in Mexico City.
Like the chapulines, a centuries-old dish from Oaxaca. Crispy fried grasshoppers sautéed in a champagne sauce, finished with dried peppers.
This is truly Mexican food.
The aguachile de camarón comes from Sinaloa in northeastern Mexico. Delicate ruby red shrimp, marinated in lime juice, served with cucumbers, serrano peppers, and Mexican spring onions.
They're very fresh, the flavor's amazing, just a lot of flavor to it.
Hugo's love for Mexico runs deep.
The country has so much to offer in so many dimensions, right? Yeah. That is exactly what the essence, you know, this incredible cuisine. They have a lot to offer.
Hugo now has 4 different restaurants in Houston, including award-winning Xochi. His team includes his brothers, Ruben and Jose Luis. What is it like now to have all of the brothers here?
I feel so proud for my brothers.
Jose Luis is a chef at Xochi. Ruben leads the restaurant group's pastry team. This year, Ruben earned his own James Beard nomination for Outstanding Pastry Chef. I'm sitting here with culinary greatness and you're all very thin.
Yeah, we didn't win, but like I said, we had a lot of fun.
I tell him, I say, you know, don't get discouraged because, you know, it just takes time.
The brothers say they honed their culinary skills watching the women in their family, especially their abuela.
Yeah, she's a responsible.
Honest to you, yeah, for me, she's the master.
Traditionally, I think in any culture, you know, you start in the kitchen. For the 3 of us, I guess we don't want to complicate things, so we just stay in the kitchen.
We're so glad they did. After all, where else can you find tender rabbit stew packed into sweet potato masa? I'm a huge fan of rabbit. I think it's delicious, but it's not as easy to get as chicken would work, right?
Definitely.
The sauce is a flavor explosion with rabbit stock, allspice, cumin, chipotle pepper, and Mexican oregano. Oregano is good at so many things, isn't it?
So many things.
While the sauce simmers, form the sweet potato garnachas. Then fill them up.
You want to make sure you get plenty of rabbit and then a little bit of sauce.
It looks so good. Top it with queso fresco and dig in. Cheers. That is so good. You'll be wowed by every bite at Hugo's. What would you say to those wannabe chefs out there?
But it's up to you and how much desire is in your heart to represent it and to understand it and to practice it we represent one country and one cuisine. And we're very lucky to be under, I call it the umbrella of the incredible cuisine that is Mexico.
And what incredible cuisine it is.